In this recording, we'll concentrate on cutting edges that already has a chamfer designed into the sharp edge, such as this over here. You can see that there's a chamfer already going around, and we just have to cut that chamfer without touching the other edges. So we'll start first by taking the previous operation that we were just working in, and I'll do save and copy. This way we have our exact same tool that we were using before, and all I have to do is start working on the actual geometry by changing the geometry. Let's go to create a new geometry. So I'll click on new, and this time in my filters I'm going to click on chamfer edges, and I'm going to do limit angle recognition, and I'm going to leave it at 45. I can do from 45 to 50 or whatever I want, but I'm going to leave it to 45. Actually, I do know some people that actually put this at one below, say 44, and this at 46. And the reason for that is sometimes when a part is imported, the angle is not exact. It may be off a slight. So we give it a little bit of a tolerance, sort of, to find that angle. So between 44 and 46, and I know that 45 falls in between that. All I have to do now is simply click on the part, and you'll see that it'll only choose that edge over there. I'll accept that. Now, if I go into my levels, you'll note that my chamfer depth is at 0, and I can't change it. That's because, and let's take a look at the tool on the part itself, you'll see that the edge has to come to that 0 point. That's the 0 point. It can't go down further, because then it will be going further than it needs to. So it needs to go up until that point for whatever my cutting edge may be. Let's go back now into my technology page. I can use either my dynamic cutting diameter or constant cutting diameter. I'm just going to leave it now at my dynamic cutting diameter. Do save and calculate. Run my simulation using Solid Verify. And let's do this slow, actually. And if we take a look, it's cutting exactly on that edge, going a little further down as it goes around the part, and then works its way back up. That's for the dynamic, but it's giving me that exact chamfer that I had on the part itself. Do this in the regular HostCAD simulation using the option of Solid Verify within the HostCAD. You'll see that it just goes around the part and gives you that chamfer exactly on that edge. This concludes our recordings on a series of edge deburring recognition.